Boroda everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to day 37 and I'll be taking you for the section of class 2 warm-up pirouettes in the centre. As always, please be sure to read our disclaimer before participating in any of the activities shown in this video and make sure you've got a decent amount of space around you, comfortable clothing and a drink of water. Also, to be warm enough to do this exercise, I recommend doing all of the bar work that has been provided so far, or your own bar of some kind, and really focus on making sure the ankles and the calves are nice and warm. So our exercise will start as follows. In 5th, 5, 6, little breath 7, 8, rise up 1, 2, pick the foot off 3, 4, pass say 5, 6, 7, close, repeat left 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then repeat half time. Rise up 1, pass say 2, 3, close 4, 5 and 6, demi point, of course, and 8. And then we'll repeat that with the arms in 5th. 1 and 2, 3, close 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then we'll go into a preparation for pirouette sequence after using that to find our balance. So then we have 1, 2, balance in, passe, tendu and 5th, balance in, passe, tendu to 2nd, and aim to get your nose back over to your hip bone. Balance 3 and 4, other side 5, 6, 7, close this one front. To go, if you need to, chasse or tendu back, and 2 from 4th balance, other side, 6, 7, 8, and then up to you, you can repeat any of those positions, 5th, 2nd, or 4th with a turn. I'm going to do 5th. Finish off 1, 2 with a turn, 4, 5, 6 with a turn, 7, and 8. And the great thing about that exercise, you can repeat it and then adapt how long you want the balances to be and then add multiples if you're feeling brave or have the right foot. A few little things that'll help us with this will be to start with our upper body. So making sure our arms are in a nice compact position to whatever really suits you. For me personally, I find that between my belly button and my base rib, that's roughly where my arms, they might lift slightly, but that's roughly where they like to be. And as well, you want to feel your lats and your backs engaging. So imagine somebody is trying to push your arms up and you're going to resist against that. Not through tension, but just an activation and an engagement. You'll then feel your backs a bit more. So that alone will help you balance throughout this exercise. And then, of course, making sure that when we are balancing, standing leg nice and straight into the floor. In fact, we're actually pushing down into the floor, which will then make an effect of our upper body lifting up. And then, of course, nice, strong, stable passe. Really feel the hamstring underneath and rotating round. Another good way to try and feel your passe a little bit more is stick it out to the side and bring it in, but really, again, imagine someone is trying to push it outwards. So you really have to work and you'll feel the underneath of your hamstring hopefully activate. Okay? Let's go. That's all from me today. Thank you very much for tuning in with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, as well as all the content that we're providing so far. Make sure you keep an eye on all the Ballet Cymru social medias for more class content and as well as live streams of some of our best ballets. I'll see you again on one of our next videos. Bye!